Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to use Chat GPT Voice Chat. In just a few minutes, you'll be mastering this incredible tool. So let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Chat GPT Voice Chat website. Step 2. Click on the Get Started button and create an account. It's quick and easy. Step 3. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface. Here, you can interact with Chat GPT using natural language. No programming required. Step 4. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the chat commands. You can type /help at any time to see a list of available commands. Step 5. Let's begin a conversation. Type /start followed by your message. Chat GPT will respond based on the context you provide. Step 6. To make your conversation more engaging, you can give Chat GPT some instructions. For example, type /persona to provide a brief description of a persona you'd like Chat GPT to adopt. Step 7. If you need Chat GPT to speak like Shakespeare, type /style Shakespeare before your message. It's a fun way to experiment with different writing styles. Step 8. Remember, if you ever want to end the chat session, simply type /stop. But don't worry, you can always come back for more. Congratulations! You've now learned the basics of using Chat GPT Voice Chat. Isn't it amazing? Go ahead and start exploring its endless possibilities. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Happy chatting with Chat GPT Voice Chat.